Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change OrcaSlicer to inches. So what we can do right here. Okay, so if you imported a 3D model design in imperial units and it looks like a tiny speck on your build plate, OrcaSlicer can fix it automatically. So what you can do, select your model, then right click on it and you will find in this big menu some mesh boolean, or you can find, if you see somewhere, you can select the here at the bottom, convert from inches or convert from meters. So you can do that. Your object appear to be too large. Do you want to scale that automatically? Okay. Now, as you can see, it's a little bit bigger. If I do it again, restore to, oh, okay, I think I have it now. Okay, like that. Now the other way which we have, okay, now you can see that it's uh, really small right here, as you can see. So convert from meters like that, and now it's big. Okay. What else you can do here with these settings? If you right click on the model, you have also mesh boolean, which will do also the thing. And the next option also that you have is that you press, so select the model and then you press S key on your keyboard, and you will see here it opens the coordinates, basically scale and size. Now to convert it into the inches, what you're going to do is just convert these numbers, like multiply your desired inches by 25.4. So you can, uh, and then you will get basically inches. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.